Baisheng Laser. This is an innovative era. It's the time of intelligent manufacturing. Under the big ties of intelligent manufacturing in China, many enterprises have made the first move, seeking transformation of intelligent laser processing. Its fast speed, high accuracy, etc. Advantages assist in intelligent manufacturing in China. With the rapid expansion of market demand, laser equipment manufacturers spring up all over the place. In the background of homogenization in the product and drastic market competition of the times, Baisheng Laser has come out on top with the innovation and solid working from very long time. Baisheng Laser is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in manufacturing high and medium power laser equipments. 15 years building up aim exclusively to build a reliable laser brand. Products include laser engraving, laser marking, laser welding, laser cutting, etc. 60 modern models. Its application covers the manufacturing of fitness equipment, furniture, engineering, interior design, medical equipment, airport, hotel, automobile and many other industries. Baisheng Laser sales network is not only throughout the country, but also more than 60 countries like Asia, Europe, America and the Middle East. The company has a modern manufacturing base in Foshan, covering an area of 100,000 square meters, and make every effort to build an efficient, quality and professional one-stop production line, which covers precision sheet metal manufacturing, machine annealing, welding, spraying and other integrated processes. Laser cutting is used to optimize processes, applications and production across a wide range of industries, including electronic, automotive, medical, metalworking, woodworking, printing, packaging, HVAC and other specialty industries. Products are under strict ISO 900 quality standard. The company focuses on the optimization and integration of technology, quality, talents, regional market and other resources. More than 500 employees full of vigor works in the company. Among them, 30 plus R&D, 80 plus sales professionals and 130 plus after-sales engineers. Patent-owned unique climbing pallet changer, Europe Technique, full automated tube cutting technique remains leading the industry. A number of products have obtained patent rights for utility model equipment. Europe CE and America FDA certificate have been acquired. Also, the company has been assessed as National High-Tech Enterprise and got other honorary titles, praised by the media and customers on numerous occasions. Under the policy of Intelligent Industry 4.0, Baisheng remains true to its original aspiration and continues marching forward. Aims at highly intelligent, highly efficient, high quality. We look into the pre-sales, sales and after-sales process in order to make sure our customers can enjoy the best and professional services. We even provide one-to-one follow-up service and gain customer satisfaction. We aim to be the benchmark of laser cutting industry and become the world's well-known brand. Smart manufacturing in China impresses the world.